Hello everybody. We are excited that you are getting started with GeoVisual and want to give you a short overview of the software. Let's start with the graphical user interface. At the top, you see coordinates and the project's base point. The georeference is automatically generated as soon as you import the first georeferenced data layer. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the tooltip status bar. There, you can see all the current control options. The status bar changes with the tools you are using. On the left side, you can always access the main features of whatever you are doing at the moment. Within GeoVisual, you can touch, edit, and change any object whenever you want. Just click on the desired object and change it, replace it, or move it around. The most basic and important tool for using 3D assets in GeoVisual is the gizmo. It appears when you click on an object or after adding it to the scene. One of our key principles is that you find all tools and options by selecting an object in the scene or the asset browser. The right menus and tools will then appear automatically according to what you are doing. For importing and controlling geodata or plans and to show different scenarios, just open the layer system. Here you can add new layers by importing geodata, IFC files, or by creating user groups. Your starting point for adding content manually, sketching ideas, or enhancing your 3D plans is the asset browser. You also have the option to leave notes and directly paint on the 3D landscape. And of course, you can measure distances at any time. The position of the sun can be set by date and time. When looking at a plan, you can jump into the pedestrian perspective and freely walk around. You can put notes and sketches on screenshots. For example, if you want to send a note to a colleague or client. GeoVisual offers you several render looks, so you can adapt the look of your presentation to the occasion. And in preparation of a presentation, you can create sequences of different perspectives. Those can be exported as a video as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you getting started in GeoVisual. Be sure to watch the other tutorials as well, especially the more specialized ones. See you again soon. Cheers.